MPWR Stock Analysis, May 5th, August 1. Hello, stock hunters. Let's dive into MPWR's performance over the last 3 months on the NASDAQ. Starting at $627.40 on May 5th, the stock closed at $785.62 on August 1, marking a 25.2% gain. Is MPWR riding a bullish wave, or is a pullback looming? Let's break down the price action and technical indicators in a clear, concise way. Here we go. May. A shaky start with a surge. MPWR kicked off May with volatility. On May 5th, it opened at $634.66, closed at $627.40, down 1.1%, with the volume of 628,993 shares. By May 7th, it climbed to $636.71, up 2.2%, with 569,460 shares traded. The real action came on May 12th, when the stock soared to $709.23, a 10.2% jump, driven by a massive 1.5 million share volume. May 21 saw a dip to $678.62, down 3.2%, with 487,472 shares. By May 30, it closed at $661.90, down 2.8%, with 950,478 shares. June, consolidation and a dip. June was a mixed bag. On June 3rd, MPWR rose to $685.76, up 3.6%, with 521,392 shares. June 13th marked the low point at $673.01, down 6.3%, with the hefty 1.03 million share volume. The month ended strong, with June 27th closing at $736.03, up 1.1%, and 562,283 shares. July. Bullish breakout. July brought a bullish surge. On July 1, MPWR hit $746.97, up 2.1%, with 587,232 shares. July 2 saw a peak at $764.40, up 2.3%, with 578,867 shares. A slight pullback followed, with July 16th closing at $714.03, down 0.5%, and 779,809 shares. The month closed with a bang on July 31st at $711.24, down 2.6%, with a massive 1.34 million share volume. August 1, explosive finish. On August 1, MPWR skyrocketed to $785.62, up 10.5%, with the high of $800 and a low of $711.46. Volume was robust at 1.52 million shares, well above the 600,000 average, signaling strong buying interest. Technical indicators. What's the signal? Let's check the technicals. The stock is above its 5-day SMA of $738.06 and 20-day SMA of $730.22, showing short-term bullishness. However, it's slightly below the 50-day SMA of $733.68, hinting at potential resistance. The 200-day SMA at $724.68 is well below the current price, confirming a long-term uptrend. RSI at 65.79 is nearing overbought, but not there yet. Williams %R at negative 14.97 suggests short-term overbought conditions. Stochastic %K at 51.49 and %D at 51.86 indicate neutral momentum. Money flow index at 56.01 shows balanced buying and selling pressure. ADX at 12.88 signals a weak trend, typical of consolidation. A Rune oscillator at 85.71 is strongly bullish. ATR at 30.44 indicates daily moves of about $30 a normal. Beta at 0.38 suggests low market correlation. MACD at 6.14, above the signal line at 3.86, supports bullish momentum. Bollinger Bands show the price near the upper band of $767.04, with support at $723.37. What does it mean? MPWR's 25.2% climb from $627.40 to $785.62 reflects a bullish trend backed by high volume and a strong Arun signal. The stock is above key moving averages, but RSI and Williams %R hint at possible short-term overextension. Support lies at $723.37, with resistance at $767 to $803. Volume spikes like 1.52 million on August 1 signal strong buying interest, but a catalyst is needed to sustain the rally. What to do? Short-term traders hold above $785.62, target $803 to $820, with the stop loss below $723.37. Swing traders buy on dips to $720 to $730, with volume above 600,000, aiming for $803 to $850. Long-term investors wait for a pullback to $730 or a breakout above $803 with confirmation. Monitor ATR of $30 for tight stops. Watch for news like earnings or sector trends to drive momentum. Final word. MPWR surged from $627.40 to $785.62 shows strong bullish momentum with high volume and Arun confirming the uptrend. RSI and Williams %R suggest caution for short-term overbought risks. Support at $723.37, resistance at $767 to $803. Volume is robust, but a catalyst is key to keep the rally going. Will MPWR keep soaring, or is a breather coming? Stay tuned for news and volume spikes. Want more analysis? Drop me a line.